All right, here we go. Okay, so this question is asking, what is the value of x? Find the measures of all three angles. So we don't know any of the interior angles yet. We do have some information. Do your work below, then plug in the answers into the table to check. So there's a table at the bottom to check. We'll see if we're right. Okay, so what's the value of x? What do we know? What are we told? What information do we have? What do these little marks mean?
Those sides are equal.
Yeah. Okay. But we don't know their lengths. The reason why I redrew this triangle over here is because I wanted to draw on it. I can't. Can I draw on it there?
Yeah.
Oh. Haha. Look at that. We just learned that the base angles should be the same in an isosceles triangle. So if we're told that these two sides are the same length, okay, they're congruent, the angles across from them are also congruent, are also the same. So in an equation, how do we say things are the same? How do we write an equation with an equal sign saying that they're the same, these angles are the same? Diego? Yeah, so what should I write?
5x plus 5 7x minus 13.
Can you speak up a little bit? Sorry.
5x plus 5 is equal to 7x minus 13.
Let's do this. Okay, so 5x plus 5 equals 7x minus 13. Okay, quick review of how to solve this equation. So we have x's on both sides, so we can't add them together yet. They're not like terms. We can get all the x's to the same side, all the numbers to the other side, then we can combine like terms. So we have choices. I'm going to choose to move this 5x to the right, just because I like my x's to be positive, just for that reason. So let's do that. So 5 equals 2x minus 13. Now it's just a two-step equation. Since I moved the x's to the right, I'm going to move the numbers to the left. How are we doing? Anyone? Are you guys so excited to be in school today? I'm getting 9 for the value of x. Anyone else get 9? Trent, what'd you get?
I got 9.
Oh, computer likes it. Good. Okay. Any questions about how to solve that equation? How we got the equation? Okay. Now we have to find the measure of all three of these angles. Suggestions? We haven't done this yet.
So, we basically go through the formulas of, each thing on angle A and B. And then what we do is we add them up and then equal angle C, right?
Okay. So I'm going to erase. Can I just clear this? Oh, yes. Okay. All right, we just got x is 9. So what should I do with that 9?
Plug it in.
Where should we plug it in?
Where x is.
Okay. So how about we write the measure, we'll start with A, just because, whatever. The measure of angle A is 5x plus 5 degrees, and we now know what x is. So what are you guys getting for that? 9 times 5 is, because we just reviewed our multiplication tables, plus 5. Okay, measure of angle A should be 50 degrees. Let me type it in and see what happens. Yes. Okay, now, we could, if we wanted to, take that 9 and plug it in right here for 7x minus 13. We could. But we know something. The measure of angle A is 50 degrees, and the base angles of an isosceles triangle are They should be, yeah. So we don't have to go through all that. If we do it, we'll get the same answer. The measure of angle B should be 50 degrees. Computer likes it. All right, now, last angle. What do we know about all three interior angles? We learned this in the first day of this unit. All three interior angles of any triangle. Sum of all the interior angles of a triangle add up to. So what do we have to do? We just found A and B. They're both 50. So let's see. Done. That wasn't too bad, was it? You guys are like, ugh. We just had a week off. All right, moving on to slide 42. I'm gonna stop my video. Thanks for coming out.